For this video, we're going to focus on how to add a special slide that is offered through iMovie. And this slide will be particularly important if you're wanting your viewers to get an idea as far as location of where an event might have taken place or where it is in relation to where your audience is right now. As you'll notice in my iMovie project, and if I click on it, I have a map depicting the area to which Achilles grew up and where he fought. And maybe I want to give my students an idea as to where this is in relation to Pittsburgh, where they are currently. So what I can do is come over to the menu over to the right, and I'm going to click on the last one, and this is your Maps and Backgrounds browser. Now with the backgrounds down here at the bottom, we've already seen those when we created our title slide at the beginning. But you'll see above there's a bunch of different types of maps. So you want to look at the map that you think would best serve your particular purpose. And for right now, I'm just going to pick this old world globe map. So I click and drag, and I can drop it right into the iMovie slideshow wherever I want. Notice the green bar, and I want it to be right after my map that I'm already showing. So when I click on this map, I have a couple of things that it's going to offer me. First of all, duration. Right now, it's defaulted at 4 seconds long. You can always come back into here and make it longer or shorter depending on your needs. Video effect. These again are the effects as far as flipping the image or black and white or anything like that. And I'm fine with the way it is, so I'm just going to leave it at none. Then it's going to ask you to put in a starting location and an ending location. So my starting location, they have, I believe that they're all based on various airports, but you have major cities, airports, all over the world. So you can simply just type in, if you know where something is, and it even says you can type in an airport code or decimal coordinates, anything like that, but I know that I want Pittsburgh, and as I type in, you can see I can either get Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, or I can get the International Airport in Pittsburgh. So I'm just going to click here because I just want the city, and I'll hit OK. And you can change the name of the city if you want. Down here it says name to display on map, and I just want it to display Pittsburgh, and I'll hit OK. And so that's where it will start. Then I want to choose an ending location. So obviously, since Achilles was from Greece and part of ancient Greek history, I would want to choose something in Greece. And just to make this shorter, I'll choose Athens. And obviously I want Athens, Greece, not Athens, Georgia, USA. So I will click on Athens in Greece. They also have the airport there as well. I want it to say Athens, and I'll just hit OK. And it'll give you an idea. 5,202 miles is the distance. And whenever I'm done, I'll hit done. And so when I come over to this map, and I will start it in this particular map, notice what it will do. As it gets into the preview, it'll draw that arrow all the way from Pittsburgh to Athens, and it would give my students that idea as to where they are and where this particular story or this particular event in history took place. So it's a very useful slide. I think iMovie's done a nice job in incorporating it, and so you have, again, different types of maps you can do this with, and you can plug in cities. And again, you would offer perspective to your audience as to where something is in relation to where they are, or if you're showing like the movement of a group, the movement of a flight, whatever it might be, you can offer that perspective to your audience.